everyone, and welcome back to Homes Inspiration Studios. Today, we're diving into modern shipping container house designs, exploring both their compelling exteriors and interiors. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. With subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. What once served as humble cargo carriers across vast oceans are now being transformed into incredibly stylish, sustainable, and surprisingly spacious homes. This cutting-edge approach to housing embraces modularity, efficiency, and a distinctly contemporary aesthetic, challenging traditional notions of home construction. If you're intrigued by dwellings that are eco-conscious, cost-effective, and possess a unique, edgy charm, then this episode is specifically curated for you. We will meticulously unpack the true meaning behind these transformative designs, illuminate their numerous benefits, and provide expert guidance on how to craft a shipping container home that is not only visually stunning but also a testament to smart, sustainable living. Let's begin by defining what modern shipping container house designs exterior-interior truly means. At its core, it refers to residential structures primarily built from repurposed steel intermodal shipping containers, which are originally designed for transporting goods globally. The modern aspect signifies that these designs transcend mere functional repurposing. They embrace contemporary architectural principles, aesthetics, and often innovative technologies. In essence, a modern shipping container house design, both inside and out, represents a creative and sustainable architectural solution. It's about reimagining a ubiquitous industrial object into a functional, aesthetically pleasing, and often eco-friendly dwelling that embodies smart design and a forward-thinking approach to habitation. It speaks to resourcefulness, innovation, and a unique blend of rugged charm and contemporary elegance. The growing appeal of modern shipping container house designs stems from a compelling array of benefits that address current demands for sustainability, efficiency, and unique living spaces. Firstly, a significant advantage is their inherent sustainability and eco-friendliness. By repurposing used shipping containers, these homes actively contribute to waste reduction and reduce the demand for new building materials, lessening environmental impact. This act of upcycling aligns perfectly with green building principles and appeals strongly to environmentally conscious homeowners. Secondly, these homes offer cost-effectiveness and speed of construction. The basic structure of the home, the container shell, is prefabricated, significantly reducing construction time on site and potentially labor costs. Thirdly, shipping containers possess exceptional durability and structural integrity. Designed to withstand harsh ocean voyages, extreme weather conditions, and heavy loads, containers are inherently robust. When properly reinforced and modified, they provide a very secure and long-lasting dwelling, resistant to pests, fire, and even earthquakes, depending on foundation and connection methods. Fourthly, there's the benefit of modularity and design flexibility. Containers are uniform in size, allowing for easy stacking and combining in various configurations. This modularity fosters immense creativity in design, enabling architects to create complex multi-story homes, unique cantilevered structures, or expanded living spaces by joining multiple containers. This flexibility allows for highly customized and visually dynamic residences. Finally, choosing a modern shipping container home offers unique aesthetic appeal and individuality. These homes stand out from conventional construction, appealing to those who appreciate a blend of industrial chic, minimalist design, and a tangible story of repurposing. They often feature clean lines, exposed steel elements, if desired, and a raw authenticity that creates a distinctive and memorable living environment, reflecting the homeowner's adventurous and forward-thinking spirit. In sum, opting for a modern shipping container home is choosing a dwelling that is sustainable, efficient, resilient, highly customizable, and uniquely stylish. Designing a modern shipping container house that truly excels in aesthetics, both inside and out, requires a creative approach that embraces the container's unique form while mitigating its inherent challenges. The goal is to create a space that feels expansive, inviting, and sophisticated. For the exterior, The key is balancing the raw industrial aesthetic with refined finishes. You can choose to celebrate the container's corrugated steel by painting it in bold, contemporary colors, matte black, charcoal, vibrant blue, or even bright white for a minimalist look, and showcasing the original container doors as architectural features. Alternatively, you can partially or fully clad the containers with modern materials like sleek wood siding, cedar, IP, metal panels, zinc, aluminum, or even stucco. This allows the home to blend more seamlessly into traditional neighborhoods while still hinting at its unique construction. Strategic stacking or cantilevering of containers can create dramatic architectural forms, breaking up the monolithic box shape. Large cutouts for windows and doors are essential for light and views, and these should be framed cleanly. For the interior, the primary challenge is the narrow width of a standard container, around 8 feet. To make it look good and feel spacious, maximize vertical space by utilizing high ceilings where containers are stacked, or by creating double-height living areas if multiple containers are joined. Embrace open-concept layouts within single containers or across connected ones to promote visual flow. Clever storage solutions are paramount. Built-in shelving, hidden compartments, and multifunctional furniture will help keep clutter at bay and maintain a minimalist aesthetic. Lighting is critical for transforming the interior. Large, strategically placed windows and sliding glass doors will flood the space with natural light, making it feel larger and more connected to the outdoors. Consider skylights or clear-story windows for additional light. For artificial lighting, opt for minimalist fixtures like recessed LEDs, track lighting, or sleek pendant lights that enhance the modern feel. Finally, choose materials and finishes that complement the contemporary and potentially industrial vibe. Polished concrete floors, exposed metal details, if desired, like a raw steel staircase, clean-lined cabinetry, and a neutral color palette, whites, grays, blacks, with occasional pops of color work well. Soften the industrial edge with natural wood accents, warm textiles, and strategically placed greenery. By thoughtfully combining these exterior and interior strategies, your shipping container home will transform from a utilitarian box into a beautiful, functional, and striking modern dwelling. Now, let's explore 10 inspiring ideas for modern shipping container house designs, each showcasing innovative ways to transform these utilitarian structures into remarkable homes. One, the stacked minimalist cube. This design utilizes 2 or more containers stacked vertically, often slightly offset, creating a clean, minimalist cube. The exterior is typically clad in a single, sleek material like dark metal panels or white stucco, with large, strategically placed windows that give no hint of the original containers inside. 2. The cantilevered viewfinder. A dramatic design where 1 or more containers are cantilevered significantly over a lower level or into open space. This creates an impressive architectural statement, often maximizing views from the elevated sections and providing sheltered outdoor space below. Exposed steel support beams might be part of the aesthetic. 3. The courtyard oasis design. Multiple containers are arranged to form an LU, or even a closed square shape, enclosing a central private courtyard. This design allows for abundant natural light and provides a secluded outdoor living space, perfect for urban settings where privacy is key. The exterior can be a mix of exposed container and warm wood cladding. 4. The expansive linear home. Several containers are laid out end-to-end and connected to create a long, linear home. Interior walls are removed between containers to form large, open-concept living spaces, often with one side featuring floor-to-ceiling glass to connect to a view. The exterior might be clad in horizontal wood siding for a seamless look. 5. The rustic modern container blend. This design combines the industrial elements of containers with warm, rustic materials. The exterior might feature sections of exposed, dark painted container steel mixed with reclaimed wood siding or natural stone accents. Large, welcoming decks and perhaps an outdoor fireplace soften the modern edge. 6. The off-grid self-sufficient container home, designed for remote locations. This container home integrates sustainable technologies. It might feature solar panels on the roof, rainwater harvesting systems, composting toilets, and advanced insulation. The exterior could be a rugged mix of painted container and durable, low-maintenance cladding, built for resilience. 7. The urban loft container conversion, perfect for compact city lots. This design transforms containers into a multi-story urban dwelling. The exterior might showcase bold, graphic paint schemes or sophisticated metal cladding. Interiors feature exposed container walls or ceilings, polished concrete floors, and industrial-style lighting, creating a true loft feel. 8. The pop-out container home. This innovative design incorporates sections of the container walls that can pop out or slide open, expanding interior space or creating covered outdoor patios. This dynamic element adds versatility and visual interest to the fixed container form, often with hydraulic mechanisms for operation. 9. The biophilic container home with green walls/roofs. Integrating nature is central to this design. The exterior might feature living green walls that entirely or partially cover the containers, or extensive green roofs that provide insulation and ecological benefits. Large windows connect the interior directly to these vibrant natural elements. 10. The integrated guest house/ADU container. A smaller, single or double container unit is designed as a standalone guest house, home office, or accessory dwelling unit (ADU). Its exterior perfectly matches the main house, whether traditional or modern, but its compact, modular nature is celebrated, offering a versatile and efficient additional space. As we conclude our exploration of modern shipping container house designs, it's abundantly clear that these innovative dwellings are far more than just trendy experiments. They represent a compelling solution for sustainable, efficient, and uniquely stylish living in the 21st century. From their robust, repurposed exteriors to their thoughtfully designed, surprisingly spacious interiors, container homes are pushing the boundaries of residential architecture. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best container house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.